Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how to install and configure Active Directory on Windows Server 2019. Before we dive into the installation, let's make sure you have everything you need. First, Windows Server installed. Yes, Windows Server was installed and we need a static IP address configured. Okay, and the domain name. Now the computer name need to be changed. Computer name we need to mention it. No problem. Computer name I am giving PDC, primary domain controller. Okay, I will close this one. Okay, restore later, and I am giving a static IP address for my computer. Let me check 192.101.133. Address only. Okay. Both you configured, and now I am going to restart my server. I am just keeping this one. Yeah, I give him the domain name and the static IP address assigned. Now we are going to install that Active Directory. For that, manage, add role and features. Here, click next and the role based or feature based installation. Next, click next here, and I am going to select Active Directory domain services. Add features and click next again. Group policy management by default it was selected. .NET I also select this one also. DNS I'm not selecting. By default it will take. Let me check that one. Okay, not asking for that. Click install. Let's wait and see what will happen. I'm just keeping this one. Wait. Hey, we get the request are the request to add or remove features on the specified server file. Installation of one or more role services or features failed because 0x8024402C. Okay, what's this one? The installation was not successful last time. That's why I removed that .NET 3.5. What was the role specified there? Yeah, it successfully completed. After the successful completion of installation, just click this prompt the server to a domain controller. Yes, I am going to prompt. Now, add a domain controller to existing domain. No, I don't have any domain controllers. Add a new domain to existing forest. No, add a new forest. Okay, now I'm giving a name winlab.com, windowslab.com, and click next. Forest functional level Windows Server 2016, or we can go to lower versions also. Windows 2000 Server 2019 it will not display here. The domain functional level also Windows 2016 only. Why? Because we are using 2019 server here. N-1 lower versions it will display here. DNS server. It is asking to maintain this DNS server here itself, or you can use it different DNS server also. You can maintain that one. This global catalog is in, by default it was selected. It's a required one. And password. Okay, any password can give here. Blah blah blah. Directory service restore mode password. You need to remember this one. Okay, click next, click next. NetBIOS name it will take automatically. It take time. It will display the BIOS name also. Yes, it's taken the Win Lab and click next here. Yes, this data folder path is created. It will create now. This is the Active Directory database file. No file was here. Now it will create the log files folder also, and this is for SYSVOL for group policies. And click next and wait for the server to be reboot. Click installation. Your server will now restart, and once it back online, you will have an Active Directory domain controller installed on 2019 server. All pre-request checks pass successfully. Click install to begin the installation. It will take time. I will just skipping the video. Once the installation completed, I will back and explain to you. It shows warning. They don't have any problem for that. Yes, the server was restored. Now we need to go to the tools. Here, Active Directory, users and computers. And this one, Active Directory domain center. One by one, we will see what was the uses of that one. Each role we will check that. Here we are going to create OUs, groups, users, and if any computer was joined to this domain, it will display here. And the domain controller, it was showing here, PDC, and group policies. In the next video, we will see each and every role clearly. Thank you. Bye-bye.